Really? Yeah, 여기 좀 비싸. Yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to take a little road trip down Corbin. Dun, 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 dun. Make way. Hey, clear the way through the old bazaar. Hey, you. Whoa, loud. It's a little different riding with this headset here. Alright. ABS is disabled. Yes. And off we go. Came back on. ABS is re-enabled. Woo, getting low. Go sideways. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Watch out for the cops. It is. It's the outside that's a little dirty. That needs to be cleaned. That's what's creating these lights to look a little blurry. That's what I was talking about. I was like, why is my helmet fogging up? But it wasn't fog, it was outside.
I saw like cables around all the lights.
Yeah, yeah. And we're gonna see some flames. Pay attention to the exhaust. No fire, no fire. Do this, do this, do this. Like that. There you go, there you go. That was all, yep, that's all flame. Yep. Okay.